Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk more about plant microbe interaction, and this time let's talk about the microbes which are present in the internal tissues of the plants, which are called as endophytes. Now, two categories can fulfill this description. One of them is internal fungi or endomycorrhizae, जिसका हमने last lesson में भी discuss किया था, or endophytic bacteria, the bacteria which are present inside the plant. So fungi भी हो सकते हैं और bacteria भी हो सकते हैं. Plant pathogens are there as well, which can be bacteria, fungi or viruses, but mostly when you talk about the endophytes, we do not mean the pathogens. Now different types of interactions can be there. Only two have been mentioned here, commensals and symbiotes, but so many different other positive interactions can be there as well, in which both the plant and the microbes present in the internal tissues of the plants can get benefit, or in sometimes only plant get benefits, and in at other times only the microbes, the endophytes, they get benefit. So all such types of interactions can be there, but all those interactions are mostly positive interactions, and they result in the benefit of the plants. The microbes, they get nutrients and habitat from the plant. In return, they support the plant growth and yield of the plant. This again has been a much more researched area, and biotechnologically so many different products are being thought of that can help the plants to grow, and so many different products are already there as well. Now there are again so many different roles that endophytes can play, whether the endophytes are bacteria or fungi. For example, there are so many different endophytes which can produce so many different types of plant growth promoting substances, for example auxins, gibberellins, and so many other compounds as well. So they help the plant to grow well. There are also so many different endophytes which are known to produce so many different antimicrobial compounds which can help the plant to survive against so many different types of pathogens. Now this alone has been a much wider and broader area of research. So many different medicinal plants are being explored to get the antimicrobials from them, and now it is a debate whether the antimicrobials which are present in medicinal plants, whether those are produced by the plant cells themselves or by the endophytes that the plants harbor inside their internal tissues. So this is a much more researched area, and there are so many other endophytes as well which are known to fix nitrogen when they are present inside the plant, because the plant provides them with the energy, with the nutrients, and with the atmosphere as well, which can be helpful to fix nitrogen. And there are also so many other useful attributes that these endophytes perform for the beneficial growth of the plant. This was about the microbes which are present in the internal tissues of the plants called as endophytes. I will see you in next lessons.